Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today I'm going to answer a question I've seen online, which is, why do vinyl windows get such a bad rap? Most people will think, whenever you have other window installer groups, I've seen a lot that, they'll sell only wood, or they prefer the wood style windows, aluminum style windows, things like that. I'll see some of these guys will respond to questions like that and they'll say because vinyl's cheap, or it yellows, it causes seal failures, which is not true, but clear the air a little bit. Now, I have many videos that talk about the different qualities that you can get yourself into with vinyl windows. There's like builder grade style of vinyl windows, which, they're not gonna have great structural integrity. They're gonna have very cheap glass. They're gonna have cheap spacer between the two panes of glass, and that's what creates a lot of the issues that you're gonna see with seal failures. I can understand that. Like, the frustration would be real for me. When we talk about our vinyl windows, replacement vinyl windows, it really is all about quality and the blends that they're using for their vinyls, the spacer that they're using between the two panes of the glass itself. Also, the actual glass manufacturer, they keep up to date on industry standards. When you're talking about vinyl windows as a whole, there can be a misconception of cheap, and they'll throw that out there. And I'm here to say, yeah, you can get a cheap window, but you can also get a cheap, wood window. You don't hear a whole lot of, well, that's a cheap product, this, that, and the other thing, but it's out there. So really, it just comes down to the brands that you're looking at. Do you want something that's gonna last you a long, long time and come with a full lifetime warranty? That's how you know that you're gonna have a window that is gonna last as long as you own the house. Okay, so in the end, to wrap everything up, you have very cheap vinyl windows that are out there, and you could be presented with those, and they could be a lot less expensive, and that might be like, wow, I could save a few $1,000s and go this direction, or you can go with a vinyl window that'll stand the test of time and you won't have any frustrations or worries for the future. Keep that in mind whenever you're doing window bids. And are all vinyl windows created equal? The answer is absolutely not. Always look out for the great products. All right, guys, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.